unprecedented times, isn't it? Who could have imagined life would take such a turn that the world would come to a grinding halt? All because of a virus, invisible to the naked eyes, yet monstrous enough to challenge our existence, our stability. Despite virus's ugly designs, the mankind has come together to fight it. And I'm sure, given our resilience, our intellect, and never say die spirit, we will be able to pull through these troubled times and emerge victorious. As I look back these tumultuous 8 months, I have nothing but to thank God for the fortitude and the ability provided to all of us at Pathkind to contribute towards making our world a better place by started COVID testing at an early date, providing good services and accurate reports to all our esteemed customers who were generally concerned and apprehensive about this disease. My heart goes out to all my colleagues who worked relentlessly with exemplary dedication to carry out COVID tests despite severe resource crunch. It's not that they were not scared or they didn't face resistance from their parents, their relatives, their friends to get out from the safety of their homes, but perhaps for them, call of the duty was supreme. Each and every member of Pathkind family, whether it were the ground force team who rode the bikes for 500 plus kilometers in a day to ferry the samples from remote locations during lockdown, or the lab ops team which worked 24/7 in the labs, sleep deprived, fatigued, but determined to rise to the occasion. It wasn't easy to reach out to the doctors, hospitals, customers when they needed us the most. At times, wearing 2 masks and a shield, putting behind the discomfort only to ensure we are there for all those who need us. I am indebted to you for your courage, for your spunk and tenacity. I will be failing in my duty if I don't acknowledge the sacrifice and contribution of your family, especially your spouses, your parents, children and siblings who have large hearts to allow you to carry on with your work. A big salute to all of you. I would like to place my sincere appreciation for our business partners, channel partners, suppliers, and all the associates who worked with us hand in hand and at times under tremendous pressure from our side as we wanted everything to be carried out as of yesterday basis. Thanks for living up with our aggression and at times unjust expectations in terms of timelines. Your support in these unprecedented times means the world to us. You have been rock solid behind us. This provides us with the much needed confidence to take on the new challenges. I'm extremely thankful to the central government, all the state governments in all those states where we are operating, to ICMR, to NCDC, and all the functionaries in the local authorities for extending help and the much needed support at all times. The mere fact that you considered our requests and understood our pain points to iron out the minutest of the problems in the shortest possible times is worth commending. A special thanks to NABL and all its officers and associates for sticking your neck out and creating history by initiating virtual audits which no one could ever conceive earlier. We feel blessed to have become the first lab in the country to have conferred with virtual accreditation to run the mall bio tests, especially COVID. Finally, I would like to avail this opportunity to thank each and every customer of ours, including the doctors, prescribers, hospitals, CMOs, and the public at large for reposing immense trust in us. Your faith in us is a huge driving force, and it is my commitment to all of you that we will always walk the extra mile to meet all your expectations. I wish you all a very healthy and happy life and pray you remain hale and hearty with your families. I am sure together we shall overcome these tough times. ये दौर भी गुजर जाएगा तो उदास ना हो, ये खौफ भी नम जाएगा तो बेबस ना हो, अभी झोंके हैं गर्म हवा के, बूंदें भी बरसेंगी तो हताश ना हो।